In this video, I will be showing you how to use the resources function in Gnowbe. The resources function allows curators to upload files, for example, reference documents, job aids, videos, marketing materials, etc., into Gnowbe and share them with learners. This function works just like Dropbox. Upload your materials into resources and share them with learners via a download. First, go into edit mode of your program and click the resources icon found on the right side of the page. Scroll down and click on Create Resources Bag and add a resource. Upload your document. Once you're done uploading, copy your resources link by clicking the link icon. You can now paste this link anywhere in your program. Users can click the link to download your resource. And from here, you can save whatever download it is. In this case, it's a picture, so it'll just open it in a new tab. If you'd like to share all the resources you have uploaded, copy and paste the resource link found at the top of the resources page. This link compiles all your resources into a single download page for users. That's it, and good luck!